Hello everyone. Today we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 3, machine. Okay, so first we will study about what is machine only. So machine is a device which makes our work easier and we can do our work more comfortably, okay, or conveniently we can say. With less effort we can lift up the heavy objects, okay, like we can lift up the car with the when we use the jack, okay, so it means we have applied the less effort only and we can lift the car. So this how machine is a device which is used to do a work more conveniently and more quickly, okay. And the type of machine that we are going to study in this chapter is lever and pulley, okay. So first we will study about the technical terms which are related to the machine. So the first term which is related to the machine is effort. Okay, so effort is the force applied on the machine. It is the force which is applied on the machine. ठीक है, तो effort क्या होगा? ये एक वो force है जो आप machine पे apply करते हो. It is applied on the machine. By we are also applying the force on the machine. Now that force that we are applying on the machine is known as effort, okay. And the second is load. It is the force which is applied by the machine. ठीक है, जब आप मशीन पे फोर्स लगाओगे तो मशीन भी तो रिटर्न में एक फोर्स लगा दी है. आइदर इट कैन बी ग्रेटर देन बाय योर फोर्स, okay. So the load is the force which is applied by the machine and effort is the force which is applied on the machine, okay. And the third term is mechanical advantage. देखो, अगर आप मशीन यूज कर रहे हो, okay, so there must be some advantage that we are only using the machine. कुछ ना कुछ तो एडवांटेज होगा मशीन का, and the formula for this advantage will be is equals to load upon effort. Here, ठीक है, it means आप effort, if you apply the less effort and the mechanical advantage will be less, okay. This one we will understand in the next topic. So here mechanical advantage is the ratio of the load to the effort. Now it is the mechanical advantage. Now we can take the following values. The first value is here. When mechanical advantage is greater than 1, okay, when mechanical advantage is less than 1, and when mechanical advantage is equals to 1. Here are the three cases we. So in this, when it is equals to 1, so it means load will be is equals to effort. Here ये 1 कब होगा? जब load और effort आपस में equal होंगे. And when it is less than 1, when numerator is less than the denominator, it means when load is less than the effort, okay. And when it is greater than 1, when load is greater than the effort applied, okay. Here are the three cases. So in the first case, in this case, when it is equals to 1, that this machine will act as a change in direction. Change in direction, like seesaw we have here, ठीक है. अब दोनों सेम वेट के होंगे. Here the person sitting is of 50 kg, here the person sitting is of 50 kg. Then this person will apply the force in this direction, but ये कहाँ मूव होगा? Upward, ठीक है. फोर्स तो डाउनवर्ड लग रहा है लेकिन मूवमेंट कहाँ है? अपवर्ड. So this one is used as a change in direction, okay. This is for this part. Now when it is less than 1, when it is load is applied less than effort, then that machine will work as a gain in speed, ठीक है. When load is less than 1, for example, we use the gear arrangement in automobiles to gain speed. आप gears use करते हैं ना automobiles में speed gain करने के लिए. So this one is the case for mechanical advantage less than 1. And for mechanical advantage greater than 1, it means load is greater than the effort. Load means क्या? जो force machine लगा रहा है. Effort जो force आप लगा रहे हो. तो it means जो force machine लगा रहा है वो बड़ा होगा किससे? जो force आप लगा रहे हो. तो it means the machine will work as a फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर, ठीक है, क्योंकि मशीन से लगाया हुआ फोर्स आपके लगाए हुए फोर्स से ज्यादा है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दैट मशीन विल वर्क एज ए फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक व्हेन वी यूज ए जैक व्हेन वी टू लिफ्ट ए कार. ओके, these are the three cases for mechanical advantage and they are really important for you all. Okay, now the next and fourth term will be velocity ratio. In velocity ratio, it is denoted by V dot R, which is equals to velocity of effort divided by velocity of load. Okay, now what's the formula for the velocity? Velocity is equals to displacement upon time. So can we write it as dE for displacement in effort side divided by time. Time we have taken equal for the effort and the load both. And velocity of load, it will be displacement along the load side divided by time. So time by time will be cancelled. So the formula comes out to be dE upon dl. This formula you have to use in the numerical also. So velocity ratio is the ratio of displacement in the effort to the displacement in the load side. Okay. Now next case is work input. So work input is the energy supplied, or we can say the work done on the machine. This one is work done on the machine. तो वर्क इनपुट इज आप जितना मशीन पे वर्क कर रहे हैं, वर्क डन ऑन द मशीन. एंड दिस वर्क आउटपुट इज द वर्क डन बाय द मशीन. Okay, work done by the machine. Now the last term comes out to be, this one will be the fifth, sixth and seventh point, efficiency. So what is efficiency? It is denoted by eta, which is equals to work output divided by work input. Okay, it is the ratio of output work to the ratio of input work. Okay, now the next topic is we have to drive a relationship between mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. We will drive equation relationship between mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. Here we will use the efficiency formula, where efficiency is equals to work output upon work input. Okay, so the work output is equals to what? Output work. I use the symbol W note. Okay, so work output is work done by the machine. So work का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. और ये वर्क किसका है? जो मशीन कर रही है. मशीन जो फोर्स अप्लाई करती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? लोड. मल्टीप्लाई बाय displacement along the load side. Okay, now work input. So work input is also force into displacement. So work input is the work which is done on the machine. It means आप जो मशीन पे वर्क कर रहे हो. Okay, so the force जो आप मशीन पे अप्लाई करते हो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? effort. Multiply by displacement along the effort side. Okay, this one will be the equation 1. Equation 2, placing this value in this equation. Okay, it comes out to be eta is equals to L multiplied by DL divided by E multiplied by D. Okay, we have to just arrange this equation now. Here, so can we write it as L upon E? This one. See, it is L upon E. L upon E is written as mechanical advantage. Okay, and this one is dl upon de. So velocity ratio का क्या फॉर्मूला था? velocity ratio is equals to de upon dl. लेकिन ये क्या दे रखा है? dl upon d, इसका reciprocal. So we will make the reciprocal of the vr also. सो यहाँ पर कितना आ जाएगा 1/VR. So this is the relationship between mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. Okay. Now next topic is principle of a machine. So principle of a machine states that for an idle machine, okay, idle machine का मतलब क्या होगा? The machine in which there is no loss of energy. वहां पे कोई भी लॉस ही नहीं है. आइडल मशीन में हम ये इंक्लूड करते हैं. In which the work output will be is equals to the work input. This is the principle of the machine. Okay. Principle of a machine. This case is for an idle machine only. ठीक है, ये केस सिर्फ एक आइडल मशीन के लिए जहां पे कोई भी लॉस नहीं है एनर्जी का. ओके, सो इन दिस केस output work will be is equals to the input work. This is the case. Okay, this is the principle of the machine in which the output work is equals to the input work. Okay, now next one.